Now first we have to calculate what is the value for m, which is equals to a negative value again, because again it's a decreasing trend. So it would be negative value. Now we have to find out the exact points. So if I will see this is the exact point, this is the exact point, I will make a line from here, join this with the another point. So rise is 2 and run is 1, 2 and 3. So the value of m is equals to negative 2 over 3. Now what's the value for b? B is equals to, here you can see it is passing through the value of y, which is equals to negative 4. So the value of b is negative 4. So the equation is y is equals to mx plus c. So the equation is y is equals to mx plus b, where the value of m is negative 2 over 3 and the value of b is negative 4. So first we will take this value to this side. We'll get y plus 4 is equals to negative 2 over 3x. We will take this 3 to this side. We'll get 3y plus 4 is equals to negative 2x. Then we'll open the brackets. It would be 3y plus 12 is equals to minus 2x. We will take this negative 2x to this side. We'll get 2x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. So the equation of the line is 2x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0.